Hello friends, I am Shamir Marwan. I am making this video to convey my gratitude to G. Sai Rajesh sir. Because of him and his channel, I have secured All India rank 61 in GPAT 2021 and All India rank 194 in NIPER JEE 221. Okay, so throughout my journey to all this success, his channel has helped a lot. You can see his contents and all. He has created many videos regarding GPAT oriented and NIPER oriented, and many subjects covered like pharmacology, chemistry, analysis and everything. So moreover, his guidance and his mentorship, everything helped me a lot. So I would like to dedicate all my success to G. Sai Rajesh sir. So if you are a subscriber or a viewer of that channel, I am sure that you will be getting what you want. So watch all his videos and it will be really helpful because he has got many experience. Okay, so once again I am conveying my thanks to G. Sai Rajesh sir. All the viewers and subscribers are very lucky. He has got lots of knowledge and he is helping me.
Sir, first of all, hearty congratulations for 3,500 subscribers for YouTube channel, and I would like to thank you for being with me throughout the process and help me right from GPAT to NIPER and got All India rank GPAT 600 and NIPER I got 400 All India rank. Really, your channel helped me a lot to grab this opportunity and in field of pharmacy, and I would say this channel is very helpful for all competitive exams such as GPAT, NIPER, railway pharmacist and even APPSC railway pharmacist. Include all the core subjects like pharmacology, analysis, organic chemistry, medicinal chemistry, all important subjects you have covered, sir. Really this helped me a lot, particularly while coming to mental ability type questions. Firstly, I got fear how to solve these type of questions. When I watch your videos, I got a clear-cut vision regarding the concept behind that. And I in NIPER exam around 2 to 4 questions they asked from mental ability and aptitude. I opted a correct option because of your videos. Those really helped me a lot. What I suggest for youngsters and upcoming pharmacists, this is the best platform to learn all the concepts in an easy way. Sir really explained in a very crystal clear manner. I could say that this is really helpful for you. Hope you could achieve your dreams.
Hello everyone. It's been exactly 1 year I started Education YouTube channel. In July 2020 I started this channel. I believe learning is fun, so I wanted to feel the students in the same way. So I tried in my best possible way to convert complicated concepts into simple videos. I started uploading content related to pharmacy course, competitive exams like GPAT, NIPER, and I received a very good response from the students. The comments and compliments from the students served as a motivation for me to do more and more videos. And I really wanted to thank my subscribers for this journey, for this successful journey. And there are so many people who are involved in this journey. Some of my friends, some of my mentors, they're always been a positive force in this journey. And I could upload 175 videos. I have 150,000 views, 3,500 subscribers. All this credit goes to so many people. It's not just me. There are so many people behind me. And recently I started uploading COVID videos in Telugu language too. And that also received a very good response from many of the subscribers and viewers. So I take this opportunity to thank all my subscribers and viewers for giving me this support. And I'll continue to do the same. For pharma students, it is not only pharma content, GPAT or NIPER. Any competitive exam related to pharmacy, I will extend my best possible way support by uploading all kind of videos. And I'm thinking of making general awareness videos related to diseases. And every individual has to know about particular diseases. I have a plan of that, and I'll be doing it. I'll be uploading it in coming future. And once again, I thank all my subscribers and viewers to taking this channel to this level. It's been a year, and I could do all these things because of this.